We'll guide you through how to fix low volume on an Android phone with Bluetooth. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This applies whether you're using a Bluetooth speaker or headphones, it doesn't matter. So we've got some different fixes you can try, as it can be really annoying if music is really quiet, or it could be a video, it doesn't matter. So it's going to be in general audio output. So we've got some different things you can try doing. To get started, swipe up and open up your settings like so. Make sure you're on the main settings page like this. For the first fix, you need to go and find sounds and vibration. We're near the top. Go and tap there. Then in here, you need to go and find the option for volume, and you can tap there. And you want to go to the top right and press the three dots. There you can press media volume limit. You want to make sure there's not a limit set. Go and see if that goes and solves it. If it still doesn't, the next thing you want to do is come back to the main settings. Scroll down, we need to have developer options. If you don't have it, press about phone. Then you can press software information and keep tapping build number until it's enabled. I already have. But once it's enabled, you want to come into developer options and you need to go and scroll down and find the option. Find disable absolute volume and you can turn this on. As often it can go and max out the volume, but with this turned on, it will go and disable it. So go and then see if that goes and solves the problem. If it still doesn't, the next thing you want to do is come back to the main settings as we are here, and you want to go up and you want to go and find the option for general management. And we can go and tap in here. In general management, scroll down and find the option for reset, and you can go and tap there. And then what you can do is you can go and find the option for reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. There you can go and click on it and you can press reset at the bottom. This will go and disconnect all your Bluetooth devices and it will reset Wi-Fi as well, but hopefully it will go and solve the problem. So what you can do is then come back and you want to go and find the option for Bluetooth at the top and you can repair the device and reconnect. And hopefully now the low volume problem is fixed. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you with your next problem and going and solving it.